but I kind of feel like it works. You too. The camera, by the way. Look at that. Okay.
Chop fam, it's Ruth and JC coming to you from Alberta, Canada. Welcome to our channel. If you're new, welcome. If you're already part of the family, thank you for your support. Don't forget to hit the subscribe, notification, and share buttons. So guys, today the weather is hot, so we want to take you to Dairy Queen for Blizzard.
I think we need to go in there because you don't like sugar that much, do
No,
you?
it's all you.
So
all
me?
you, baby.
I love that. I'm just gonna do a really quick video for you guys. I wanted to always showcase
The Blizzard.
the Blizzard.
Yes.
But they're sweet. Well, come with us.
Take one for the team.
I'm taking one for the team. This is going to be something.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Guys, let's go.
So just a small one. I was craving sugar, so I got 3 Oreos. Let's do this. This is fantastic. I'm gonna try and see if this actually works. I see this in commercials every time. Am I doing it? Can you come closer for a second? Just take a look. This is supposed to be cherry chip, so you can see. I don't know what the chip is in there. But you see the cherries with the color, and I'm going for the small one because of course I don't want to be on sugar high. And then this one is turtle. I love turtle. Remember those times? Yeah, look at that. Okay, and then you have Oreo on this side here. Everybody knows what Oreo is. If you don't know, you put a light person here and another light person and then a dark person, and then it makes Oreo. That's a joke. Anyways, yeah, always wanted to do this. Forgive me. Let's see. It works. It works. You too. It works. You know why I'm doing this? It's not in my car because that's otherwise Ruth would make my car. Anyways, let's start with the cherry. Okay, come closer. Let's see how heavy that is. Ruth is behind the camera, by the way. Look at that. Okay. It's good. Ow. But there is some kind of gummy in there. I don't know what it is. I don't know if I can find it. This is a cherry one. Maybe it's the cherry. You know, I don't eat cherry that much, but maybe we can find something in there. Yeah, well, that's not a good shot, but anyways, let's go for it again. It's so sweet. I know some of you will be like, but of course, it is it is a Blizzard ice cream and stuff. I should really stop doing this. Okay, let's put that away. Alright, so this one is a turtle. It is starting to melt already. Look at how, oh my god, that's heavy. Alright, I'm gonna go closer to the turtle right there. You seeing it? Alright, that looks like a worth it. I feel like this is peanut, isn't it? Or some kind of excuse my nastiness. I think that's chocolate. It's chocolate. Jean-Claude. Something is wrong with me. I'm being on sugar high. That's what's happening right now. Man. Don't get me wrong. It is really, really good, but also really sweet. So I think I'm probably going to be crushing very soon. Oreo. One of my favorite cookies. This. Ruth stopped me eating this because I was getting too fat. Okay, but now I can bring it on the video. Look at how thick that thing is. I don't even know how people finish that, but let's go for it. All the memories are coming back of why I used to love this thing. I'm so happy right now. Okay, let's go again. Okay, I need to stop. I need to stop because it's really sweet. It's wonderful though, and if I was to come back again, I think I'll still try all of them. I think they are equally as tasty as they're supposed to be. But should you be eating this every time? Maybe, maybe you shouldn't. I think I'm going to crush a little bit. Let's just close it up here, and I'm going to try and eat it when Ruth is sleeping. But I kind of feel like that is so sweet. Anyways, we wanted to do a little quick video for you guys just to showcase the Blizzard. They come in small. Apparently this is small. There's also a mini one that you can buy. I think if you want to treat yourself, do go buy a mini one. Don't buy the small one. I can't even finish it myself. But again, I'm going and we are going to another restaurant right now. So all right, we'll see you. Bye now.
Guys, did you see? Not cool. Not cool.
I beat her to it.
Not cool.
Anyways, that's awesome. Anyways, we love this place.
Yes.
All the their sandwiches on the bagel was wonderful. Some were more wonderful. Sauce. I'm gonna go where the sauce is.
Okay. Red sauce.
I can't.
Oh.